Class 4 IMO Level 2. Mathematics question number 1. If star into star stands for fourth multiple of 16, circle plus circle stands for third multiple of 12, then find the value of star plus circle. Given star into star is equal to 4 into 16, which is equal to 64. Star into star is equal to 8 into 8. So 1 star is equal to 8. 2 circles is equal to 3 into 12, which is equal to 36. Therefore, 1 circle is equal to 18. So value of star plus circle is equal to 18 plus 8, which is equal to 26. Mathematics question number 2. Sanchi stacked 7 blocks of wood as shown. What is the height of the block of wood which is at the bottom? Figure not drawn to scale. As we can see here, they have given the total length and they have given every single length except for the bottom one. So using this, we can find the value of the bottom one. Given total height of stack 7 blocks of wood is equal to 36 centimeter. Total height of stack 7 blocks of wood, which is equal to height plus first block, second block, third block, fourth block, fifth block, sixth block, seventh block, which is equal to 36 centimeter. Height of first block plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 36 centimeter. Height of first block is equal to 12 centimeter. Mathematics question number 3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. As we can see here, there are a lot of confusion here. First, we'll arrange the numbers starting with 235. Arranging that, we will get 2,35,468, 2,35,648, 2,35,684. Then we'll arrange the rest of the two numbers. After arranging, we can see that the A option is the correct option. Mathematics question number 4. Garima can make a paper plane in 3 minutes. She started making paper planes at 2:30 p.m. and took a break of 35 minutes at 4 p.m. At what time did she finish making 100 paper planes? Time taken to finish one paper plane is equal to 3 minutes. Time taken to finish 100 paper plane is equal to 3 into 100, which is equal to 300 minutes, that is equal to 5 hours. Finishing time is equal to 2:30, that is the starting time, plus 5 hours, that is to make 100 paper planes, plus 35 minutes, that is that she took a break, which is equal to 8:05 p.m. Mathematics question number 5. What fraction of lines are sleeping lines in the given figure? In the first figure, number of lines is equal to 14 and sleeping line is equal to 4. Number of lines is equal to 14 and sleeping lines are 6. And in the third one, number of lines are 14 and sleeping lines are 4. So total lines in the figure is equal to 42. Out of 42 lines, there are 14 sleeping lines. So, which is equal to, in the fractional form, 14 by 42, which is also equal to 1 by 3. Mathematics question number 6. Lakita has 5 times as many green marbles as red marbles. She has 1230 marbles altogether. If she removes 1 by 5th of the green marbles, then how many green marbles are left with her? Let the red marbles be R. Then the green marbles phi R. Given R plus phi R is equal to 1230, which is equal to 6R is equal to 1230. Using this, we can find the value of R, that is 205. Number of red marbles is equal to 205 and number of green marbles is equal to 1025. Now number of green marbles removed is equal to 1025 into 1 by 5, which is equal to 205. Now the number of marbles left is equal to 1025 minus 205, which is equal to 820. Mathematics question number 7. Find the total weight of Q and R. The figures given can be written in the equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we add all these equations, we get 3 bracket P plus Q plus R plus S bracket close, which is equal to 345. So using this, we can find the value of P plus Q plus R plus S, which is equal to 115. Let it be equation 5. Here we need Q plus R. So we can eliminate P and S. From equation 1, p plus q plus r, which is equal to 75, substituting in the above equation, we can get the value of s, that is 40. From equation 2, q plus r plus s is equal to 90. Substituting in equation 5, we can get the value of p, that is 25. Now we know the value of p and s. So we can just subtract it from the total value. If we do that, we can get that q plus r is equal to 50 kgs. Mathematics question number 8. How many letters have perpendicular lines? L has a perpendicular line, Y has a perpendicular line, M has a perpendicular line, P and I have perpendicular lines. So 5 letters have perpendicular lines. Mathematics question number 9. Find the difference between the greatest 6-digit number and smallest 5-digit number formed by using the digits 9, 8, 3 and 4. Each digit must be used at least once. Greatest 6-digit is 9,99,843 and smallest 5-digit number is 33,489. Difference between these two is 9,66,354. Mathematics question number 10. There were 82 trays of eggs with 312 eggs in each tray. If 1020 eggs were broken, how many unbroken eggs were left in the trays? Total eggs is equal to 312 into 82, which is equal to 25,584. Number of unbroken eggs is equal to total number of eggs minus broken eggs, which is equal to 24,564. Mathematics question number 11. The given figure is made up of two rectangles. Find the differences between the area of a bigger rectangle and the smaller rectangle. As we can see here, the side of the square is 3 centimeters. Using this by counting the number of squares, we can find the side. The vertical side of this is 36 centimeter and the horizontal side of this is 24 centimeter. And the other rectangle they have already given. Area of bigger rectangles is equal to 36 into 24, which is equal to 864 square centimeter. And area of smaller rectangle is equal to 24 into 18, which is equal to 432 square centimeter. Difference in these two rectangles is equal to 432 square centimeter. Mathematics question number 12. Multiply the smallest 3-digit number formed by using the digits 9, 4 and 5 using each digit only once with 12. What will be the result? The smallest 3-digit number that will be formed using these digits is equal to 459. Multiplying it by 12, we will get 5,508 and that is the result. Mathematics question number 13. Some part of a 25-meter long pole is inside the ground as shown in the figure. What fraction of the pole is above the ground level? 25 meter is equal to 2500 centimeter. And as we can see here, the portion of the pole inside the ground is equal to 30 centimeter. So portion of the pole outside the ground is equal to 2500 centimeter minus 30 centimeter, which is equal to 2470 centimeter. Since they have asked the fraction would be 247 by 250. Mathematics question number 14. Find the value of p plus q plus r divided by 2. So as we have to divide 33,754 by 24. 24 ones are 24. Subtracting 24 from 33, we will get 9 and then bringing down 7. 24 into 4 is equal to 96. Subtracting, we will get 1 and then bringing down 5. Since we cannot do this, we'll add a 0 there, that is q, and then bringing down 4. 24 into 6 is equal to 144, and then subtracting 144 from 154, we will get 10. So p is equal to 9, q is equal to 0, and r is equal to 10. Doing the equation above, we will get 19 divided by 2, which is equal to, in fractional form, 19 by 2. Mathematics question number 15. The given bar graph shows the types of sports liked by 150 students. Find the number of students who like badminton. Number of students in badminton plus tennis plus swimming plus chess plus table tennis is equal to 150. Badminton plus 25 plus 20 plus 40 plus 35 is equal to 150. Using this, we can find the value of badminton students, which is equal to 30 students. Mathematics question number 16. Select the correct match. A. 7:25 p.m. 25 minutes past 7 p.m. Yes, this is correct. But let us just check all the other options. 6:35 a.m. 35 minutes to 6 p.m. Wrong. 19:35 hours. 35 minutes past 8. Wrong. 20 is 8, not 19. 19 is 7. 20:35 hours. 35 minutes to 8 p.m. This is also wrong. So the correct answer is A. Mathematics question number 17. How many hundredths must be added to 1911 to get 28,011? To get the required answer, let us find the difference between these two. If we find the difference, we'll get 26,100. So 261 hundredths should be added to 1911 to get 28,011. Mathematics question number 18. Rinki bought the following items from the market. How much change did she receive? If she gave the shopkeeper two 2,000 rupee notes. Two 2,000 rupee notes means 4,000. And the cost of material she bought is equal to 2,725 in total. So the balance she will get as change is equal to 4,000 minus 2,725, which is equal to 1,275. Mathematics question number 19. What must be subtracted from 26,783 to get 2,768? 26,783 minus x is equal to 2,768. X is equal to 24,015. Mathematics question number 20. Form the 5-digit number using the given clues. My thousands place digit is the greatest one-digit odd number. The greatest one-digit odd number is 9. My ones place digit is the first multiple of 5. The first multiple of 5 is 5. 10,000s place digit is a factor of every number. The factor of every number is 1. My hundreds place digit is fourth multiple of 2. 2 fours are 8. My tens digit is prime number. Greater than 5 and less than 10 would obviously be 7 over here. So the answer is B. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.